Hello, agus fáilte rás Thig Na Seansálaithe mas maidh seans a wacu glaciad Na Seansálaithe is mise Hugh mé ggéile cheara agus mise in seaol libh a ríis don níú Eagrán déag fa deilí creidteáil bhfuil Harbh muid ag Eagrán a fiche. Tá an podcast seo Jindáir dearnta den TEDs like sean go leor le bheith gáil a gan bheith gáil ach á go leor ní cumh mar an fres go ddíra ach tá muidir agan an ééig sin bhil is táhachttaí. Hugh má ggéile cear smooth agus tá seo le mo chuid chuirde dílis Tá seo dúspáir le aine Jimmer tú.
Me go maiid ní hilumm bheith gearan leis.
No, a bhhain faoi an intrusin a thugma an podcast creaú sin a garan a bhhain beidir gur féidir le.
Ní sin an ceannas láidre a bhí agad riú.
And you know what? I think ní Eagrán déag tá cad gom flap away veogum. I think in
very much cat digital.
Yeah. Fog of action is Eagrán fi an intro is fair or cholishiv chiche it were seal. Agus man seo fásta le James of Fáilte. James do tú.
Oh, the way an intro in. Jinan Rudd is smooth as that man even my heel.
Yeah, ní bheith so good.
We've been on intro on new Eagrán on new intro Thig is fjord young to folks.
Oh my god, top 20. Yeah.
Top 20, yeah. I think what Rutkins Ganzi nu doing all third. I think we've been a hug and speech impediment.
Oh babe, what is it? Go shot like a college jam of heart.
I told you the power to look.
Tá raw culture, sinna five. Tá raw culture. Bhí ma actually not le bheith a flexal ach bhí ma go gym menu agus literally flexal agus hánig ma duine teart ná hánig ma le blianttí agus a dóhhain gur aithní ma iad ná gros tú caiú tíléine as like féile dramaíart tal in Edinburgh agus hánig ma ag me like oh ma switch gur tas bhí young marial ar bhí gro tú caiú tíléine as Edinburgh agus dúirte sé bhí agam sa go ddíra gur tas bhí young cos bhí tas an duine bhain bhí stíon seo le ganzi dún in hall. I was like, fair enough.
Like raw. Thoughts on going like you, but names you got a kid movie in the
nah haver. Because Mister like her, hello. Hello. Oh god. It's ever Ted. Oh yeah. What's your look? Well, look what you did in this intro one. No, Gallant even this intro one. He's fairness interacting chugging. Eagrán ever fihe. Jimmer Tash, Jimmer we were seachtainí.
Come on. Can't playing. The seachtainí wa. Big on Hugh, but come on. Agus seachtain just open. Agus Hugh come on version. So look forward to the seachtainí though. Couple of mom.
Careful saying.
Mission more gained. My solution there seacht na hana hin.
Well, the deirfach an gríthe on though listen superb owl. An owl is fair a bhí le feicáil tá cha fin Superbowl go leis gal.
Doesn't bhí Animal Planet at a Hugh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't for sure. What?
Tá mis was gin carlogger mágin gur Áine. I don't know céim go be. Agus sin ví the regular Rams more in the butchery, but níach seach Áine.
We must expect a ram of a bull of caucus Bengalakis.
And documentary David Attenborough is Kavia go walking man him the heel.
Our cheesy jokes.
I know. Lancash. What do you call it? Our dance of just le Urker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Near on mission.
That was Ruth is a fan more than Pale Americana and
Snoop Doggy Dog. Should have made main shiggy called Kavi, but no Nero some that I'd come Phantom he could your action. The arcly talk here Schlägerad.
Fair. Dan was just was high in Ked kick. Like Majesty Gurker and then when and Lee Rod Jira Mahas play, I was like, well, shit. Mishi Gemart.
She is Hugh Carr that might even here.
Hánig má bhí má like brehan ahanrod like tá either go hallú inis nó go fanart dín cuiigegur maidin a ggurchar an peil seo agus brehan seo an kick ahhain seo and then ní hardly go head and I was like well you why folks
Hugh out.
That's fine. Or what is all last James?
Oh, one, yeah. It's like Hoshermacher and halftime show was fewer idiot, basically. Which absolutely don't get to ring at the weekend so job another but we just genuine nisar and I need email.
Really?
It's Kim in the beyond like the Eminem, 50 Cent, Dr. Dre, Mary J. Blige, Snoop Dogg, the Anderson Paak, just a drum all. Like
the Honig me sin agus bhí like dark me or just during halftime show because we like Sean part one that shot them actually Gary Eckle. Agus Honig ma because we enlisted on a ring it was like star-studded cast the Superbowl halftime show it was like Mary J. Blige, Eminem, Dr. Dre, whatever. And then just dark Massacharna agus the Anderson Paak like agus in manga more shot like time of his life like you drama lose yourself. I was like the Anderson Paak earns that can't find their lose you action like because you the very like to Kelleru like Nadine Shaw like can't find their lose you action because obviously it's
Near cost is just on the drums of Isha so really my jam with mention Kendrick Lamar I'm wishing like so unbelievable. It was cool first though, the LA so chuig being chuig in LA and then a halftime show Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, Kendrick Lamar, Lugas Compton, LA. Just cool like as Ru LA so just class 100 LA like just
Craic Béisian and made a small daoine a bhí ocu riú don shaol hama.
Ní mai 15 hí blianta an is hí blast daoine freisin an like it just orange go blian didn't want in the European and then give another bit took a cougar machas chula craic gon Superbowl arena agus just cost
Si tashban an seo má anolalas hí me se gcónaí cnéarna den bhána.
No, it well gone like ABK a hook to Hoba so took go Maroon 5 blians ring Shaina ich habe mir nach den one new birds freshen though chain Leon Dr. Dre on so we Dr. Dre didn't use to like it's rapper but
producer via
DJ like
Sílam gur bheith an rud scanner a chuní mé na gro alt faoi Snoop Dogg a caiú dújin cé fá goil Áine ar gúní it was like it's le like tan spéir gurm wow Snoop Dogg a caiú ní ros dinner bhí
Behearmach alt skrifa mormach se caha.
Ding care
got so stage.
Yes, you talk cai dújin ar bí and there's go homlan glán. Shit that will really have me heartless like you did got right.
Should I
keep growing a picture? He'll she'd grown a picture called scandalous while picture though a cool statue.
Yeah, I was behind like yeah.
I guess it's illegal in California anyway. So who cares?
Yeah.
Vi should all go ein kan is fear ó Miami ní sam cin blian but vi Prince a Casa Purple Rain vi se bosteach so sin cool like so we should like go bud ein 10 kan an national rival but yeah I thought go on a halftime show class vi game vi go hen go ma version
Sin ceir me go éir bhfuil an sporttain simú nó cool me go an air sin fógraí an go mar sin sé sús an clíthe.
No sin daoine cans ráméis it's cost a regular season like mé cin the stoppers on really like it. Cúig numad quarter is on but the concept go stretch on amach go fi numad be a fi cú numad a caru ach was fan more mis go sports medical anyways it's canal wanna be Yank ma so so like it has seen more arms on like being na rudi brand like all like over na Colin Coward agus Shannon Sharp agus an boys lugus medical cons faoi an NBA, MLB agus an NFL, so it was my element like.
Anning occurred James the Yank inis Marialler seo. Leis na halftime shows like car being the whole random in the dingy first like early there's a kin like ring check deal. It was like dingy a the asan counter agus a double lad like the Dr. Dre more improve rail to whatever and then she like the dingy double if we blian agus vi shot Coldplay agus hannig Beyonce earns that law agus I think vision keep blian kind of the Red Hot Chili Peppers no Bruno Mars beyond like dingy like as ahan corneal that agus to kill like Ken Neil like Jay will and ask and just go to the like more millionaires like Jiran with the way and go got from law but no one my ansalt as in when my ansalt in halftime show agus ni higgling yan Jarmid nias my kind narlu macha at 50 cent bonus kin is these what does it show in
you no.
So the file like the actual flag Garosha Martian mar Stisa like fish and kill in the club that being shot like bonus kin like it's being shot like na scale and shot so then the part on like is the Dr. Dre Snoop Dogg Shasu or like in Carnog more shot I was then hitching and rud a score in Carnog I was 50 cent like bonus kin like rapal like it's the Subuxa. Yeah. But I think our egg should they raw add is these Subuxa because they're hannick should they're hasha rapal he's like in the club
Kind of grow air be agus these waska.
Bhín full like kinsa like grand out.
I've been memes a gúni for in Superbowl. Those I'm actually well ní actually be so ní actually on advert ring you crypto.com.
Oh yeah.
Advert LeBron James agus like CGI go LeBron on like that 8 agus tag Shasta Shumra agus seeing LeBron she's LeBron it's been Cora acu le héile agus tá just ingerid memes on faoi sin just see she's necklace le Shane basically and then like ton the Lakers in the ufos am rian so just a chulin like a raw don't tell Westbrook to go to LA never trade for Anthony Davis. You should have joined Philly.
Bishna add Karen agus the QR code on agus because the Harley would agus the QR code on agus dar her to white sin then for to like I think we should like quick Jake dollar that Bitcoins here in Ashka at vrish an ad like in Sieve like agus like I think are like ringshaw like impact more like the like Luach Bitcoin and shin Marial group's gonna be like oh really like cool like it's fake like handing the Gurker Superbowl like pieces here in Ashkel and then Harva like Scrishid and Sieve on one of each the Gary a Fogru so
agus Khosh number 2 is an app store like that like
yeah
Khosh sus
well in Ashtu Gento of sure cryptocurrency
V and there agus then agus we like mission like really like Sarkasla like and that's kind of like it's a cost kind of like gamble at tattoo like a gurk like a hand like quick second like Lefeka like will look or would be gapper or whatever so like in Russia white too and then Lema then feel like an impacty like listen listen chimplacht because the Turkey's made funny for because I was like no okay Yenu shot needs for after my cash my air for shot I guess like yeah like probably huckalum of a wadney seven that time dar conimala listen major v yoga whatever we dad like right yeah okay
and whether it's Dantry not go sheshti here revolution because go digladini I'll Jirok Martian as rinne me héine láháin bhí me le marráide agus dúir si dó to crypto ar tá sé ddíirné titim tá Bitcoin titim so sure craith me isteach €1 agus tá mé fós a heiceáil a an lá as níl sé bogu churbe dúir go sé céad sa cethir but caiit tú ágal mína le brabú sceartáilú
yeah no
ní bhí se inistú rudí mar hin chorbe because tá sin gambla like tá se úfosach a gambla. No ma úfosa. Hall me se cholle bet be ar Superbowl. Cholle bet. All right. Sin mínál go hall me an chéad cheán an coin flip heads and tails. Hall me sin. Right?
Yeah.
Hall me under over came in second with national anthem.
Wait, the bet that shin? He got the new bet.
The bet a chuller to Super Bowl, man. The bet a chuller dan. Hall me on under over at a mate's points he was scored this game. Agus hall me mach. So it should look 50-50 chances like. Agus hall me mach on da if he had a Gatorade of Dorothy at a coach.
Getting to bet or in that. I mean,
Sin ceann massive.
Ní bhs go duch leat sinna dhéanú betal ar rudí seachas an spór tain.
Oh yeah, they're really stupid on like 100%. They're class like.
And what's a class marker? This ma.
Oh yeah. Tá an Gatorade, right? And that means that a Gatorade has there at a phodchraoladh. So they're called some cholle bhliain bio of bhí ma 80. Ní ná na chuig ba. Da chuir better me hain call you cholle bhliain bio, but ní smú aige fád am na actually a ruchtar for once like.
Around it in butcher carts? No, or
well, we bet builder am. I was like, so actually like skill am to sports. So I suppose Hallman pre bet, but like 7 shocking selections sham. I was Roma chuig aku Hallman paid maybe dimmer lad one go done he worked on yards cart agus on can that ní score a lad at a touchdown this game, but chuig mom like Cooper Cup score a touchdown, Matt Stafford chun cathal was céan ráchéad chuig yard. You're the statistical but yeah, the could be stupid that the cap growth that.
Higlum James Howlu istí ag na amusements mór na tra I caiú mú ahan pigin taige.
Or in the slots.
In the slot machine. Istí leis na Sandra.
Fun actually. On claw machine means was that Lena Teddies?
No, ní
Ar irí leat ceann óchans, ní bhfuin dinner beach.
Rumors are so knowledge.
What?
Tá sé gitibug scanner no.
Yeah, the thing we not will Gurker or most my that's a Kirschie's occur James the thing we not will Gurker and fish on our YouTube.
It's snowman at on. What's that cute unless go like Chadintamach as like the yolks sequence yolks I kind of freaky. My god, who's coming nephew definitely
gone right away,
yeah good yeah.
Tá na súile, sílam sa go na súile scanú, tá si dulhúir.
Yeah.
Sin just ceann go machchas teddies am sin rá.
Níl sé cos le búlaí cabbé.
No.
Tá búlaí sé.
Yeah, no tá búlaí get a bug níos fearna sin. Cai would you chalker sister and scale and ish.
Should I Bernie ó fáirte?
Suited up.
Agus is build a bear on don agus for my way gan na housemates are le nolig of Green Chicago mar secret Santa agus a yoke child agus press onto agus touch a casa oran agus sé oran don na on oran win episode Girls vs Suits I get it.
Oh, and How I Met Your Mother.
Yeah. Nothing suits me like a suit. It's a birth certificate like was 100.
The birth certificate. Birth certificate.
No, she didn't just go Superbowl.
Oh yeah.
Agus le Teddy Hall in it, le James.
Hey, yeah.
Ní amach page ma fu my camera present is can Roma.
James,
I swear that will just load Teddy's on it.
No, that's just a camera. James, is this a teddy bear? Is this a teddy bear in Pod Creation or the Irish Latsa? It's a good jazz cuddly. ach saoil like leis an na battle sin like saoil sní anu like lapel gala like you know govéid punch le fáil or like te Paul Galvin chun kickall an níráid chuig Jaguar again like you know that could be rud.
Wat actually kan funny on na wat an anna inne ag cummert is pelle agus was it a chu de Calin Gael cho leo a chaús.
Oh yeah
on ditach sí an mal gemaach. Just can't she's like spinner sprint but ga high heels should be like so. She come on nu in mar de ra mas gasi stoppen to the clear hey she ja chaús but it's gasi image the eye so that's another 50-50 so
no cakewad is a mayor on the VN no Kane beer is cut from the manager. Oh my god no má glachan my yarn like in the captain like he Jaron Clean like my yarn shall like mí gascin na my yarn many more ag é a lear speech trí himpuiste fé lein wat gur féit le dhéanú.
Yeah oh yeah is cean ví Super Bowl na on Superbowl acceptance speech cé an ché duine in se tanksle. So, like if it him na I think un coach dan kan na teammate tri kan vi an na a chláán cean die agus we should on the look like ní am kin an ru as like but we should on the look like.
Well we I think about to like ring dinge like brush cheese like Kvad in a ring the Oscars like K na dingy a were and may just mo like weakest as like a han Oscar of Wuhan or whatever. I think her Hannick GM wherever he I think her Shashin Lucha and may just mo and then she grows like Steven Spielberg organization no right mission no like in the directors I mean Agoni Áine actually you know to Gia Hannet yeah it's like a Super Bowl that's like Oscars.
Und daar Hugh.
En daar Hugh. Tá má heb dhéanú tá chaí dhéanú. Má ding bhí géisiart an segus de blána sé chart Suez.
You're going the online searching.
Yeah. Absolutely. Because Sean Foy ring my a re and kid jean glass up because we were like well má tá bána sé tarlú den tá cadagin like a bheith dingy vestí ogin in chamra. So if you like so he lumps it just more sired agus then Yanni Maja. So the mission go home on Kelly.
Genius.
My against it. Up there.
You up there. My false video that actually
Cahi too.
Not Haber Shin James, not Haber Ma Fossum. Like
look, we've been through this.
They ring bearer those she's and Chapel agus
no, you need ring bearer. They ring bear.
Bear.
Oh yes.
Yeah, ring bear. A joke. What you around bear? No bear.
Ring bear.
So yeah, so must think be Gary, must think be Quertu thinking chart leis le banish. Not ein rud le you know it's a bunch of leis you know matatáru be go chart suas na mata. Tantar Hugh Erfwell. Agus má choir
me anytime in the near future Hugh níl tú the
door. James bit cracker dóilgaí bit a great.
Sinna imi term na cáil mis mar a craic má be má cáilse.
Sinna fláán atógam like imma will like the criú like you know bhhaile mé mar like the Comedy Central roast of Hugh Carr like just kill just like just Gary amming a bheith. Magu fuam. Sinna rud is táhachtí dúsa is go one dingy soltas as a crack. Sinna fá. Sinna rud is táhachtí Jaron le. Nín seal an crack. Fan ge éistú le seo nes right. Seo fi mas muitiúr seo fá tomol. So Super Bowl, conference Super Bowl. Fi Snoop Dogg ag seanim ag Super Bowl. To Snoop Dogg in the Cheanart and Sean record label a bhí ige cén tangin bhí ar an record label Death Row Segway Urker sin boom pow, 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 pow.
Hugh.
Yeah, if you miss growth na just raw, since growth was raw growth, it come a hori and like him.
I mean, bheadh sin fosta fásta ach like má smuitiúir sin ar fá tomó bhí má like caiime seo so like neas cinú eile.
Sinna rud a bhí ar tú sa chlár, hí fógus ar nimar ar a segways, ní fógus á tú noch an intro.
Ar an intro sin a fe gur má mesas was quotes as Ted is bhí mar sin. No, bhí cash boy agus chuirtas is seáginn James Ruvan in Clare, tá mé gaiir seo léileh céin béile, so dá ro sibh se inis bhí sibh chuirsaí hin frisún dá fáin chartings go bhí seo an le dearna tugad ar an síl. Céin béile a mé agad le haid Jenny trí chuirsa, Jenny J mar and yeah, I know go vision sin panic art and sin ach Jenny trí chuirsa because cai tú like béile man a bheith agad, níl gur bheith agus artigus tú a score and firing squad no could be edge. James kin béile journal bheith agad.
So starter those.
But sin the grand net you mean the starter.
Yeah. Well, you might death row, I might mix it up.
Oh yeah.
It really confused on. Starter. Need to go meet you really chicken wings like. Buffalo wings.
Blue cheese dip.
Blue. Duck pancakes.
Oh. James. Pioku kin forfa job.
Oh, can't I this a whole culture to Gursi Bia agus
don't get me wrong, the Chinese ain't gonna get a rule. Come with it, cultured.
You sin og macht an ceadúm leanna like a couple of years the duck pancakes. That's deadly.
Oh, that's unbelievable. Unreal.
Yeah.
Either that or what like prawn cocktail, new crab cocktail on those kids. So
classic.
I think final answer to my death roll has to be buffalo chicken wings. Fair.
Yeah, fair at it. Any careful.
Tá mé burnach gona rud céine rá le James Shield an bhí me dúr smaitiú chicken wings mar hosáir mar tá siad fuórfa tá siad galanta blasta blue cheese dip lo ní le can't go wrong.
Agus a rud is fear fuú na tógann siad piece of fada le ihe na tú dip the lava is the landa, so this is more time on earth basically, so yeah we can tactical job. Let's go to nan like shaol go brishe dem hins macho no go den hins go ru haba net so chach mas mees almal da ho ja go die do chor chorshis as a wadi
ilum gersin mar agradernach sin no beidir regen idalach cos le bruschetta no like rodega le mozzarella is trati beidir caprese salad.
Caprese.
Beidir simply blast them mar sin land gosh.
Sean Kersto modular chicken wings and then too spicy no gonna spicy.
Buffalo igoni.
Buffalo.
Hands down.
Smile like to my crazy in Buffalo. Smile spice. Smile get the big spice fast.
Yeah, but see, really interesting that if you cannot bug on spicy sauce at a tea, as if you blue cheese at a tea, and then to mix our sauce, it's even Scotsy to not the basket.
This is a mantle.
Maximum spice.
That's crazy, man. Crazy.
He's a Mr. Gabby. Sheelum said there were sure death row and rod like gand out of se na muscles. That's good like le agus gardoige le shigus no better crab's claws faster. An
But Jenny Dermot there were shows and they're Lewin should be Dermot. Oh yeah, she can't go wild.
And Cadorella over death row. And Cadorella talking just this.
Just be on you see she said her got his but she's like fuck.
I think go bless call Jim to show after
Was that showing in the morning?
Jim just come my guy to the cost la shaw massive nerd moment with Rosencrantz and Guildenstern is the Macbeth no Hamlet Gomleshka sorry Bronarm done the Shakespeare dingy beach their death row is Jared like oh came find their honey with shot Tarlo is just drinking the wine basically done Cadarella and then obviously
only his what's non-criú and the lad doers and dad
Hamlet.
The Hamlet.
Yeah, obviously. Rigma came on Kahima. I think I think like legally Kahima is Shakespeare like Target Joanne the Shakespeare and Usavi no Kalim Machem. She didn't commission another way. So a brief course in a shock cashing that came brief course me to James Lai agus to her death row.
Pizza. But Kasha the New York pizza. Kasha have delivered down way New York. Right? Now we miss a hold on a J1 agus they're on road trip, right? Tima galore it's got a small pizza. Galore pizza it's amazing. But calling me out to New York is margarita pizza. Like I'm a meat feast guy. I'm like jalapeno pepperoni guy. What's that? Small amounts of toppings. The margarita pizza in New York, August Visha, unbelievable. The Aaron to go some ishke it was a New York Nurkins. On ishke to on, go been a news just a dough, go been a hit a class. I don't know what on, but Cash on August homage pizza, the McGarry side bug garlic bread.
Oh yeah.
August garlic mayo dip. Yeah.
And may shaw the dollar slices of you good Nick and eat has any more listen to platty like
no we pizza massive oh it is to Mr. Criú at longevity jog
I guess there yarn to like kind of shipped us new Iraq and what is it like current there and flying close to the Reddish starters has been quite too fun
August Kasha da chuig more do it again.
Within an hour your delivery's free with the aren't that big.
Yes. It's on them like much of the girls in war of New York like doesn't make any odds also.
I do allo Joe's pizza count is fair in world.
Yeah.
Not for my most and slice
Shinna ken will see in Spider-Man that way.
Yeah, Talon picture Shisa Villain, well ni Béile any let's see Shisa that's a Sheena Heg na stories Jean cool shin.
From Stephen Fawcett's really jazz. Really jazz. Malthin egg more that then you beat Hala in New Ira.
Death row Gary Béile deireadh or do.
Look, lads, that's go line a story against Lisa Friesen. So, mother does a geisha shaw.
Don Eagrán here, Arisha.
It's do you feel like my Yana Majinga like Eagrán done phodchraoladh like cost like Folsom prison like that's like Johnny Cash these like bia as in prison. I think mention cracker dog.
Wat geloof fat so.
Brian Matsuska Mount Joy so Ziri Mujer who and Digland does star for work like.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay in the hard Zoom. Is it okay?
Oh yeah. Careful any kin precursor me good.
So the Meshagundal Jirak be Indiak. Or alum Indian. So bit of Dutch that file sag chicken, but to my Gary na sides like Maggie pilo rice, to my Gary papadums, to my Gary naan bread, to my Gary na condiments a hagen lesh na papadums. Sheelam na will béile níos fearr na trying to feed all over on Indian.
Saying what to go chuig mo chuig that James Corden. Could have 2 lambs.
Ní me right le
Could have 3 papadums.
Óhacha peep show chuige.
Chuig me sé PC go mas go dé noch san agus yeah, weird though.
Tá part an exchange straig Indian agus what I got nelas go like le ordu agus the charge I could get like 4 nan agus chanting the lad hard like 4 nan Jeremy you're insane. sin ra dark ratchet though. Cake with spicy is the sag chicken.
Níl sé ro spicy. Agus mailam could na curry spicy come I know not make smithy sauce leis, but is spralum nor ordin couple of dinner kinegsula as like get down or the curry the flata.
Plus la tapas.
Asher.
Yeah. Sin ra really my.
Jeff retain.
It's gonna rest my take masala I can cap mention more ma béile me le journal than seal I think Caihí magal le Seachtainí doing now fashion chips and dóichart leis a vinegar as a fine to stíos na takeaways agus a land solid beer battered fashion chips this is just ho jazz
Well fui lei in ungal cé not as far
Walling sa cash on or in Áine it's like bialan like me like takeaway at home I've been like the portions like whole more acu agus like 10 esk like whole agus tagan cha as my horsen actually like to corsen ogum at more like geotar esk so glockin cha she's gaji Áine and then Lannon mujing agus fine mujin and bia like and chin like ho jazz like hoglum say ihe a handle the heel agus Darrow mayor and flanet on ledger gand outfit and is more available yeah
and my lads na an horseradish sauce agus an mushy peas aren't they
yeah like smilem iad and this is a reach like smilem mushy peas act like munner hannig shall mushy peas ni cream first tartar sauce is bralame you know I'm caring like munner Harley shall leis tartar sauce like ni cream first to act chinim squish like really jazz but yeah fish and chips gand out like Jaron said was some béile farlum okay so yeah
they doing all the fishing for Jan like couple shachten so niemand na een spoilers soos geval met u ingale sauce ach na wees hoe ngade onlaten ta earth ag turmish anu ka do go she's go McDonald's mat the air fish and chips McDonald's autos fjord ingale fish and chips
Kai mis as ein tú laten seo sé iontak tan kai John nes dul she's gomor agus journal landing sin Jern siad gur hooked an is seo is fear. A hooked in Marna agus tá sé sa cahar cumai agus sin a fish and chip is fear in Áine. Bíag McDonald's iontak fi si níos fear an átra biele, but sílam bhfuil an cai John né tichum gomor an so.
I'm going to like tester mar in river hook with you.
Bhí me sé chun ddíorchan sin a réid me like sin national is caiimiid dulthaigh an
dulthaigh an dá yeah.
Better Jenny would channel YouTube because like fish and chip shop connoisseurs sinna rud in any which
Lynn answers come down with me in a kumai agus our miaclar igsula
yeah
oh yeah
actually one of the fish and chips guru
Vein hotrum in the air PQA so and Cursey are that during a couple of things we saw Curses Tawakti and Milshog agus shiv death row can run around how James slide the Milshog journey and blast journey I may good agus tour and seal shot
he sound like ta sweet to time but ni good desserts then ma the my in always marine ni sound this desserts ni into the of home like we my goni feel out ufos of desserts like I just ni mal me da wa dessert so kama go conventional dessert ga nu gamma just raw kid a wadam mar on dessert
I think Matatour death row to could be rud avail good lie the Milshog
okay mata wa se bra sauce le tea agus bear chocolate new Terry chocolate orange new Ruthkins Marine as
you're a true Gaeltacht boy
honestly though walk my whole happy lesson like the harm Ruthkins raw walk like Beelum basil milkshake the harm got a drotion but was that like chocolate cake and was that apple tart na di mar hin nu like brownie níanam not that kind of guy with my bra sauce chocolate orange tea to be honest.
So Collie ní sin ní sin an bailiúchán Cree James.
No.
Yeah, it was like you hostage show Mr. Raw. Oh yeah, the duck pancakes, crab cocktails, new buffalo wings, chuma sauce, and then chuma pizza, and then chuma Thig chocolate bar.
Tá ban an chart atá géisi le seánis a tá ag seaar tar náin agus tá si ddíar chun na brownies chun na tuairte má agus iad seáú agus nustáir iad le caiú má mar
what she's raised of brownies up le got a zango le Snoop Dogg agus the key to generate
Superbowl bhí se ddíra as ar ggóir an tamar fad.
Áine an phodchraoladh.
Sinné an phodchraoladh, yeah, tá muid gahrú ó na Seansálaithe. Superbowl.
Phodchraoladh seo orthe ag Snoop Dogg.
Ná Jenny Germid, smoke weed every day. Ceir búta and you can dessert bheith agad. And my do look at the desserts or dús mar.
Tá mé get buchas le James ní hé an béile fearlumm ná mé se go chorbeh barnam rudí fearlumm an príomhfuórsa ach ará sin crème brûlée gandát sin an millseog is fearlumm ar dóin tá sé galanta bhí seo go maní faoi airú tá sé just class tá go si gaiir an bhláir le arcar an bougie bitch an sin le atá siad galanta.
Can't hope to sing to hear crème brûlées.
Oh, mom, yeah, I couldn't have any dessert. Oh, crème brûlée.
The crème brûlée.
It's a raw nish nar coke on my mom real crème brûlée.
Chin gas. Oh yeah, like I don't know.
What can we work with?
I don't think we're
no, you can't roll
her.
Kaima actually arc suas le fecha jade or arc just le gen kinchig kin like my kinchig.
Is there a custard day? There's a custard tá.
Oh yes.
A ramekin agus an sin currently sugar bar is don to sugar so being kind of being at an bar of rishu.
Mhm.
An blasta.
All chocolate lachan tú le urtkins. Is that the dessert being like cannot sphere chocolate on us dorten to routines agus like lawn cheese
don't or dorchen dini chocolate latte air
yeah but yeah I don't know
you took her crème brûlée
no he's always getting the dessert showing you
crème brûlée is just burnt cream like a rankish you make roasting dini cardé
Bhí mis chun ra like ní ísan se dessert sinna fá nachhfuil go sé bhil, but no te an carú sinna fá. Ní dinge bí meis sa carú te le sinnar fád.
Tá suite a chuitámúid.
Sweetie. Tá sweetie spug. Caiim bhain trios crème brûlée na sin ce.
Yeah, cause me, no. I think that's custard though, I don't know.
Tá sé níl sé ní bhín sé cos le custard sa rí le tá sé set istí sa ramekin.
Okay.
I'm
not going to pronounce it. I do anyways. No, nima go. So sick of feeling.
Crème brûlée.
Garçon, jiglam crème brûlée le hall.
Man, crème brûlée on the gin, but the hell.
Mind fair. Holy faith.
What a custard and a tea, please.
It's just a ramekin bug agus you'll not sugar see on agus should then custard and tea.
Ach ma gabn is show dort steach 100 kins ba.
Mission. Give me number ar fata yenu. Oh yeah.
The food in here, yeah.
Smile lumsa so to yeah really go smile brownies as Eddie Rockets that she gets in like an chocolate tá me sé inta meis like is brelum sa meilseag. It's like a gcóí na tú si ag an bíán agus tá like rud omlan mór ete go agus lang bell na hiic le fiú bogu agus tagan na frastlí agus agus ar bhaid mil se go bí ag den hiigh wohu do bhálag like ag bogu like ag genú splás that could be rud a tu chun ise like it's like roin to the carp like yeah no te tarlú like tu chun seo ihe ach jearing a rud fearlam nó tiramisu sfuilm sa tiramisu. As na dal faste just like an mascan dan agus like even fuse mine coffee like I just like an mascan sin den chocolate agus an cream fast solution
is brad am tiramisu sin ra ínta
go jazz
le cup an coffee ar an tail
lá té gailtacht
chuna mé gur rud an aisteach é sin was go ag an ordín tú ag le cup an téin coffee a le deireadh de bhéile. Fílann daoine eile ghfuil sin craic-ailte. Go háir an héadálí, dúirt si nach nólaach si do riú cappuccino in béile.
Well, seo rud is like is deach é le bheith alta go like a rihan le nar imagine like in é like the agus think be an dana I think go land cheer his snarb agus even si jingar sa go inta malls it's like a hundred like a dialogue when it's sort of find the ingar so I think just in smuichu le bheith ag gáil coffee ag like a híine go flógan í béile whereas to airní like them jinga genta mahas te agus caffeine is mission so it's like yeah obviously like I do clock sa tail go le cháú like not even fuel
ní dóilm gohac mé riú má hisismóí ag í engineers gan cup an té is brisca bheith cúne in béile. As gar lá nulog find muid ma put the coffee put some more tea in ein béile or muid fin or lati when it's just tea is coffee
no gan dark like I like kai too like teve with the engineer like the Guinness zero ogum silami ar an art agus jearing go mé te agum na gus bud criú tafit gan doubt ar bí
was an an bheith beganí bougie fresin héiste er go an cheeseboard away.
Cheeseboard.
Small a cheeseboard. Yeah.
You know what? Cur James Ian warm Nucklen a chud round a bia.
Fi mis kind of rash because that's something like that yogging or James and stuff are blian galai harvan she could punch a shot. Agus a slab breast agus Emerin Char land sport agus inta it's far air that proper like old fashioned tell the lada agus sin bhí like in na round ag an bhí agus just like suddenly bhí classical music ag senim agus bhí oh well is brelum a cheeseboard bheith agam leis míon ar dúsbar agus an sin le haid a tústá better an
mis súile prawn cocktail
yeah
agus apple tart that man show agus bunch ag sinné cheeseboard
Vrelum pizza Schalte as nua aura agus é shake a fáil le dá
go a gcuise ma bhí má mór date bhí má fáil na rudí bougie look version like so
yeah
treat yourself like as the cheeseboard ang renolik is man it's a class it was unreal that dine go a maga films go dus man
my into cheeseboard on be ball my has the gné find to fried or an electric chair because they were too land cash
screeden when even get go garum chun a libh
it's like bruchty and ammer fad he's like come on
the brim
garlic bread honest tactics ní fiú se an na BS fair la this is just scary fall amach cin gur féit le é seo value méid smó tíráach leis dún agus ar nóta sin go James Bragg leis gur míle maigeh as
on
that bombshell gohfuil actually Lenny's go culture James ar capmuid gur míle maigeh as achta bheith géisiir leis na seansaí a ríis mar dúirt mu Eagrán an níé inis so gur mí go bhach a haning bhí géisi go fáil. Ná dar seo a chead Eagrán gur mí go bhach éisiir le seo fásta agus bháing go mórdaid le éis aráiste na seachtainí fásta man bhfuil amagad tá compilation of don na PCs fire an Kids Sraith man bhfuil amagad le galarás agus éis leis na cinníar fád ach is fiú éisiir le cos te deadly. Má ga muide amsú ar na main hosta is na seanslaí a táid ar Instagram na seanslaí ar Twitter agus na seanslaí ar YouTube agus hiaglaad ar an físean gáanta seo hiaglaad ar Teddies James hiaglaad ar an gansaí duine ná atá armsa hiaglaad ar an tarp mór atá ar chuil Áine ná tá aim ar na rudí si timefra na
Tapestry.
Sinna tarpa the current tour tent na be.
Tapestry bin có ceir le telemasú.
No, pastry a tonéide. Pastry, ní pastry.
Tá má holtar mi.
Áile. Ní choultar bhí ga. Ma dú Gary Áine a amsú agus a tapestry ar na menu hoiste is féidir lí ar anhuiir ar Instagram agus ar Twitter. Gary agus ar TikTok fásta na Jenny German. Gary James amsú ar na main hosta sí mar flahartach ar ahan ile caiite gen cinnte go le flamastí sin agus tú flahartach ar ahanrod agus tá mise ar Hugh hir ar Twitter agus ar Instagram agus go ré Hugh ar an TikTok. Sinné go dtí be ling a ríis le haid an cead Eagrán fiche crazy. sé Eagrán eile agus biimiid Jenny seo ar fá leflíán a bhú sin doráte.
Craic.
So grim leigh as a haning bhí géisiart gotí seo agus ná German go méid arás a rééis an chatting sugaing le Eagrán go thomá nua na seanslaí. So íhaid no íhaid áidhaid tar nóhaid ci bhí am de géisi le seo. Bunig í solta an deir seachtainge ná go bhí am don le géis le seo agus is swing bu go maiid agus mé le don cead Eagrán eile. Sláin!
Slán!